Elmer's glue. If I can do this right. Okay, that's as much as
That's
I'll
probably
make
it.
this time.
Yeah.
I'll wait
And now
for
I'll
you.
make more than you.
No,
Yeah, because you made more than me last time.
do about the same.
That's
Yeah, that looks like.
like one more drop and it will be the same. Just wait.
That's like you
Come
know. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add coloring.
No, we'll do that last. Okay.
No, I'm adding it first.
Well, here's our. Add this too.
No, first I'm adding coloring dough.
Okay. Well,
A few drops of this.
3. I'm adding both. Remember?
I know. And a few drops of freaking this.
Oh, and add baking soda too, because I already have.
I know, but I'm gonna mix these first. See if it actually does it. First I have to check if it actually makes 2.
That looks so cool.
I need some more blue. Over here.
I need more blue.
I'm so lucky it didn't hit
Hey,
the ground.
I need more blue too.
You still have a lot of it on the edge.
Yeah, I know. It likes going on the edge. Should I leave it like this?
It won't stay like that,
Okay, let's finish this. Okay,
but I'm not gonna stop until I get it the right color.
that looks good.
That's not cool yet.
Hey, you're behind me. Add your baking soda.
I don't care. I don't have to be at the exact.
We had to add a lot. In
Oh
mine,
my gosh, I'm so lucky.
Because I had to add a lot in mine last time. I'll just add them last. Oh my gosh. I think I'll need more activator. Well, there's 2 activators, but contact lens.
Contact solution is the main one.
Yeah.
Oh, that was a lot. Oh my gosh.
But you also need more. I need more baking powder.
Don't use all of it.
I could barely get any out.
Just
It
hold
almost
on to
fell.
the knife every time.
Hey, I need that. Don't shut it.
How about we just don't shut it?
Yeah, because we have to keep opening and shutting it. That color's so pretty.
Yeah. Yours is pretty too.
But yours is prettier. Because you have more blue in yours.
Oh my gosh. I gotta.
You need to clean that up.
I will after I make my slime. I only have one hand here.
Clean it up.
But you know what? I'll do
Stick
this.
it in the slime. Okay, mine's starting to turn. I think I'll need a bit more blue. So, there's the blue. I add more blue, sorry.
I'm going to go ahead and use one of my hands because I also need my other hand. So I'm going to put this.
Look, I need
Where
more
did I put this?
on your stool.
Yeah. But
So there's more of that.
going in with my hands.
You are
I already went in with my hands.
with one of them.
Yeah, but
At
I'm not
least.
doing both of them until it turns into slime.
Okay. I'm just going to start doing this.
Because yours is already turning.
So I can put both my hands in. Guys, this is
You
like,
can barely even see mine.
yeah, but hey, you're getting it in the middle of mine.
Oh my god.
Here, get it.
My leg.
Look at this. It's more green. Oh wait, I can't add any more coloring.
I'll add it for you.
Blue.
But when you're done with it.
More blue.
That's actually what is it called? It's not too like
I want
mine.
the color you have.
Okay. I can't even open this. Gosh.
We should just leave it. Just leave it. Just leave
Just do it until when you're done with your slime.
it. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. How long is this video going to be?
I have no idea.
Okay, so
So far, it's
4
4 minutes.
the last one, the very end is the milliseconds.
I know.
Okay, just leave it. Stop looking at it.
It's 5 minutes.
Okay, just make your slime. Stop worrying about how long this is.
You were at first.
Because I was just wondering. I don't want this to be like a very long video.
Not an hour video for sure.
It's like it went to 10 hours.
Simple.
Look at how... Okay, add more content solution for me, please.
Oh my god, that was Echo Blackskin.
Because remember, on the first time we made, remember, we had to, kind of add a lot to mine.
Yeah, and a lot
Look at this.
Yours is coming together really good.
I just better start doing this. Can you add more for me? Since you don't have both of your hands in. Unlike me.
Okay.
Which is good. You need to keep one of yours out.
Yeah, because
Because you're the person that does the job for us.
I'm the slime expert.
Yeah, it is now 6 minutes long. Okay, let's just stop. Okay, so this is kind of...
I would pick up the board
Oh shoot, we better run.
with our one hand.
No, I can't.
It's fine. Symphony doesn't have to see us making slime. It's fine.
But we're also making a video.
Yeah.
Watch out, don't get that close to my hand.
Don't like spiders. City, white, black, Spartacus. Yeah, Spartacus.
Here, can I have more?
Aw, you're wet. No, Spartacus.
Somebody has square dates.
When?
Right. I think like about. Oh, mine is getting good. I just need to use both of my hands right now.
Neglecting him, not letting him down.
He didn't want to.
What took you guys so long?
Out there.
Mr. Headmaster has his show off, his new program. Tiffany's like vice president.
Oh, if you do a little at a time, it will be good, and you won't have to worry.
Well,
about
I have all of mine in my hands, see?
I know, but yours is good now. So
Can you give me more? Oh, wait, you can't now.
you have one hand free now.
No, I don't. I'm just like, no, I don't. I just had to do that.
Tiffany's gonna be pretty algebra.
Now you have your hands free because your slime is on. Okay, I need help here.
We need to play with all of it, so it'll turn.
First, I'm doing a little at a time.
Because on the next video, we're gonna make another one after I post this one of us mixing our slimes.
I'm not mixing my slime with this one
Why?
because I don't want to make a slime smoothie right now.
Oh shoot, Maddie, no. Okay, well, text message. You need to hurry up. You want to just end this video now?
Sure.